students, in this video we are going to see one more example based on Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order. Okay, example is solve the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square with initial conditions y of 0 is equal to 0 by Runge-Kutta formula method or here we can say Runge-Kutta fourth order formula with h is equal to 0.2 and compute y of 0.4 and y of 0.4 y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. Okay, correct to 4 decimal places. Correct to 4 decimal places. Correct to 4 decimal places. Okay. Solution. The given differential equation is what? dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square. Okay, y of 0 is equal to 0. Here f of xy is equal to 1 plus y square. H is equal to 0.2, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0. Okay. To determine y of 0.2 and y of 0.4 by Runge-Kutta fourth order formula. By Runge-Kutta, K is capital, Kutta, fourth order formula. What is that formula? Fourth order formula. That formula is y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4, where k1 is equal to h into f of x0 y0, k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 upon 2, and k4 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay. We have this is f of xy, h is equals to 0.2 and x0 is equals to 0. So we will find out. We have f of x0 y0 is equals to, what is f of xy? F of xy is 1 plus y square. So f of x0 y0 is 1 plus y0 square. What is y0? Is 0 square, it is 1. So f of x0 y0 is equals to, now to determine or to find, determine k1, k2, k3 and k4. K1 is equals to, what is K1 is equals to h into f of x0 y0. What is h? H is here 0.2 into f of x0 y0 is 1. Okay, this is 0.2. What is K2? K2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Okay, this is equals to, what is f of xy is 1 plus y square. So this is h into, this is x and this is y. So this is 1 plus y0 plus k1 upon 2 square. Okay, now put values. So what is h? H is 0.2 into 1 plus y0 is 0 plus k1 upon 2 means 0.2 upon 2. This is 0.1 square. Okay, so it is equals to 0.2020. Students, calculate this on calculator. So we will get K2 is equals to 0.2020. K3 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k2 upon 2. Okay, what is h? H is 0.2. F of xy is 1 plus y square. This is x and this is y. So 1 plus y0 plus k2 upon 2 bracket square. Okay, this is your K3. So 0.2 x0 is into 1 plus y0 is what? 0 plus k2 is what? K2 is 0.2020 upon 2, 0.2020 upon 2 whole bracket square. So this is equal to 0.2020. So we will get K3 is equal to 0.20204. Okay, 0.20204. Now find out K4. K4 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. So h into, this is 1 plus y0 plus k3 bracket square, because f of xy is 1 plus y square. Okay, this is equals to h is 0.2, 1 plus y0 is 0 plus k3 is 0.20204 bracket square. So K4 is equal to 0.2082. Now put all these values in formula. Y1 is nothing but y of 0.2, because here x is lies between 0 to 0.1, sorry 0 to 0.2, because interval of differencing is 0.2. This is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4. Okay, now put all the values. Y0 is 0, so no need to write down it. So in next step 1 by 6 into, what is k1 is 0.2 plus k2 is 0.2020 plus 2 into k3 is 0.20204 plus 2 into 0.20204 plus 0. This is equals to 0.2027. This is the y of, this is the y1, which is y of 0.02. Okay. Now we have to find y of 0.4. Okay. To compute y of 0.4, okay, we take already h is equals to 0.2, x0 is equals to, see here students, already when we have find out y of 0.2 or y1, in that case our x is lies between x0 to x1. x1 means 0.2. Okay. Now we have to find y of 0.4. In that case our x is lies between x1 to x2. x1 is here 0.2 and x2 is here 0.4. Okay. So for in that case our x1 is nothing but x0. So it is 0.2 and x0. So y of x0 is nothing but y0. And here y of 0.2 is y1. So in that case y1 is nothing but y0. So y0 is here. Don't think about this. So here y0 is for this case y0 is nothing but y1 and value of y1 is 0.2027. Okay. I hope all of you understand this. Okay. We have do the same procedure. F of x0 y0 is 1 plus y0 square. Yeah, what is here y0? y0 is 0.2027 bracket square. Okay. So this is equals to 1.0411. Students, make here one correction. Take here y of 0.6. Okay. Now to determine K1, K2, K3 and K4 as follows. Okay. What is here? K1 is h into f of x0, y0. So it is 0.2 into 1.0411. This is equals to 0.2082. Okay. Next is K2 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. So this is become h into, what is f of xy is 1 plus y square. This is x and this is y. So this is 1 plus y0 plus k1 upon 2 bracket square. Okay. Now put values, we will get answer. H is 0.2, 1 plus, what is y0? y0 is here 0.2027 plus k1 is here 0.2082 upon 2 bracket square. Okay. Calculate this and calculator, we will get answer 0.2188. So K2 is here 0.2188. Okay. Next calculate K3. K3 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 upon 2. Okay, h into 1 plus y0 plus k2 upon 2 whole bracket square. H is 0.2, 1 plus, what is y0 is here? 0.2027 plus k2 is here 0.2188 upon 2 bracket square. Okay. So K3 is equals to 0.2195. So we get a value of K3 is equals to 0.2195. This is your K3. Now we have to find K4. K4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k. Okay. So this is equals to 0.2 into 1 plus y0 plus k bracket square. Okay. So this is equals to 0.2 into 1 plus, what is y0? Y0 is 0.2027 plus k, sorry, here is K3. K3 is 0.2195 bracket square. Okay. So K4 is equals to 0.2357. So we will get K4 is equal to 0.2357. These are the values of K1, K2, K3 and K4. Okay. Therefore, Y2 is equal to, Y2 means Y of 0.4. Okay. This is equals to Y0 plus 1 upon 6 K1 plus 2 into K2 plus 2 into K3 plus K4. Okay. Now put all of the values of K1, K2, K3 and K4. What is Y0? Y0 is 0.2027 plus 1 by 6 into 0.2028 plus 2 into 0.2188 plus 2 into 0.2195 plus 0.2357. This is equals to 0.4228. Okay, this is correct up to 4 decimal places. After decimal, there are 4 digits. So it is correct up to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. Okay, this is the value of Y2. Okay. In actual, we have to find out Y of 0.6. Okay. To find out or to compute Y of 0.6. Okay. We have to take x0. See here, we have to find out Y of 0.6. For y1, your x is lies between x0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x means 0 is x is lies between 0 and 0.2. For y2, x is lies between 0.2 and 0.4. Okay, and so for y3 means y of 0.6, your x is lies between 0.4 and 0.6. So to compute y of 0.6, we have to take h is constant. H is equals to 0.2. In this case, x0 is 0.4 and y0 is nothing but this y2, and this is 0.6. 4228. Okay, so take it as a homework to find out y of 0.6, and its answer is y of 0.6 is equal to 0.6841. This is homework to you. Okay, find out this answer. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.